Hello students, today I have a question for you. Can you tell me what we call that person who does the opposite of what everyone else does? Think of a word to describe such a person. Okay, I will tell you. We call that person a rebel. Okay, so what is a rebel? A rebel is a person who does the opposite of what everyone else does. So today I am going to start your poem, that is The Rebel, which is written by DJ Enright. So let's read the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. What does the poet want to explain here? Basically, the poet describes the character of a rebel who does not conform to the norms of the society. Okay. If rebel sees a group of people with short hair, he would let his hair grow long. On seeing others with long hair, the rebel would cut short his hair. Seeing everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel would become absolutely mute. On realizing that everybody is silent, the rebel would create disturbance. So, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dog. Okay. So, similarly, on various such issues, the rebel would be seen contradicting others and doing things that no one would be doing. Okay, he would refuse to wear the uniform when others would be wearing it. And the rebel, what did the rebel do? The rebel the dress sense of a rebel is quite different. When other students wear a uniform, he will be seen wearing trendy clothes. He clads himself in a simple outfit when other children are seen wearing fantastic clothes. A rebel will love cat when he is in the company of dog lovers, and he will prefer to loving a dog if you love a cat. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel embark on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the sun, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. The rebel goes to the meeting. The rebel expresses the need for rain when everybody else admires the sun. When people welcome the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. When most of the people attend a meeting, the rebel loves to stay at home and reads a book. The rebel attends a meeting when most other people stay at home and read a book. So he does the opposite every time. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It's very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. What does it mean? When people around readily accept the offer, the rebel intentionally refuses the offer, but he accepts the offer when others tend to refuse it. One doesn't wish to be a rebel as he is an odd person out, but a rebel has positive traits too, and we are fortunate to come across such people. It seems that having rebels around us is beneficial as they train us to acknowledge differences. However, it's not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society. So, this much in your poem, that is The Rebel.